What's going on, everybody? PJ 437 Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider going over and hitting the subscribe button, hitting the bell icon for all notifications, and giving some videos a thumbs up if you decide to watch them. Anyway, on today's video, been getting water in the parking light lens, and I pulled it out yesterday while I was out at the Fisher Auto Parts, hoping to get the windshield put in, and the windshield came in damaged, so now they're going to do it on Monday. Today is Saturday, but this is it's got a crack in it just above the bumper line. It's getting water in it, and it's blowing out the bulbs, and I didn't have a way to fix it yesterday, so I'm going to pop this out, show you an easy way to get down to it, and try to seal it up with some Gorilla Glue. I believe it's the best option I have currently of my own thing. So we're going to pop the headlight assembly out, and then we can get down to the parking light lens, pull the bulbs, pull the lens, and then we'll try to fix it. So hopefully you can see there's a 10mm bolt here. I know the light's not great, but take that one bolt loose and it'll allow you to get the headlight assembly out. Put that there so you don't lose it. Unplug your headlight bulbs. Set them out of the way. Then hopefully you can see that there's those are little catches that hold the housing in. So you just slide it in towards the grill section, and that'll release them. And then it's just a matter of finagling the assembly out. Set that up out of your way, and then right here is your turn signal housing. So this is your turn signal parking light bulb, which I put a brand new pigtail on yesterday because it had melted the factory one, which is a problem with these cars. There's your corner marker light, and you got 3 7mm and one underneath here. 1, 2, 3. They pop loose, and that allows you to pull the assembly out there. Now this is a little tricky because the bumper foam support doesn't allow you to slide that over out of the way to get off this little lip here. So I just pry the bumper up since it's plastic. That allows you to get this whole thing out. So right here along this seam, there is a crack. It splinters off here. It's hard to see. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but it runs down right there. And then we have a crack here. I'll try to touch that up. And also a crack, 2 cracks there and there where the bulb gets hot. And I don't know if the camera will pick that up down in there. See where the bulbs cook that plastic a little bit where they're hot. Alright, so not sure if this is the correct way, but I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol, clean the surfaces where I'm going to apply glue. Just to try to make the bonding area a little cleaner. And my plan is to eventually replace these. I'm debating on whether to go on back with the factory ambers or get some clear ones off of eBay. I think the clears would look better with some amber LEDs. Alright. So, clean enough for me. Hopefully this glue is still good. I've had it for several years sitting on the counter table, wherever it was at. Just opened it. Kind of looks like that crack continues up to this edge here too. So I'm just going to be doing a light little ooh, there we go. I'm just going to smear this across here with a Q-tip once I get some put on here. I don't know if this is going to discolor the housing or not. It's kind of tucked up where you can't see it anyway, so roll it over this edge just in case that crack decides to continue. A little more than I needed. that's that part. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, please go check out some of my other content on the Camaro or on my Duramax. You can go check out the Purple Sonoma, where I redid the head gasket, which is now parked again because it re-blew the head gasket. Best I can tell. I haven't tore it apart because I don't plan on it. I have plans for that at some point when the money is right. I'm doing a 6.0 swap in that with a 4L80E. Maybe might turn it into a no prep vehicle. Or possibly a street car. Or both. I'm not sure yet. I don't exactly know where that build's going. Considered trying to, when the channel gets enough going, gets a little income, I thought about doing a Pro Charger on the 6-liter. I think that would be cool. And plan on doing a Holley EFI on it also when I do the swap, so it can control the fuel management and the trans controls. So that'll be something I would be learning with you on the channel. So if you would, definitely go check out some of the other videos. Give them a watch. Give them a thumbs up. Make a comment if you got any thoughts on where to take the truck and what to do with it. I originally thought about turbos. I think a Pro Charger would be even cooler. Turbos are cool too, but Pro Chargers just have a better sound sometimes. So we got glue on all the cracks that I see. So we're going to let the glue set up for an hour or two, and we'll reinstall it. And we'll catch back up then. Alright, so it's glued. It's not really too tacky now. So I'm going to put it back in and just basically reverse the steps that you saw me do to get it out. And that's pretty much it. And just one other thing, you are screwing these screws into plastic, so be sure not to over tighten them. Sometimes you can catch the same pathway that it was already screwed in, so screw in pretty easy once you get it right and it catches. Also, if you have driving lights or running lights, whatever fog lights you want to call them, you can get to them right through here. You get all this room, twist the bulb out, pull it out to change it if you need to on those. Just an extra little tip. Alright, got everything back in there. You can barely tell the glue's there. And the rest of it's tucked up under the fender there, so you can't even see that anyway. And we'll see if that hopefully stopped the water from getting in there and helping blow bulbs. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications. Get a notification when I post my next video. Check out some other videos. Have a good evening.